Are you on the hunt for the best economy car of 2024? From sleek designs and fuel efficiency to high-tech interiors and smooth performance, this year's lineup offers something for everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the top 15 economy cars of 2024. Let's break down each car's price, exterior, and interior features and how they perform on the road. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. 2024 Toyota Corolla. Starting with a true classic, the 2024 Toyota Corolla. Priced around $21,000, the Corolla continues to offer unbeatable reliability. On the outside, it features a clean, aerodynamic design with bold headlights and optional LED taillights, giving it a modern edge. Step inside, and you're met with a straightforward, user-friendly layout. The seats are comfortable, and the touchscreen infotainment system is easy to navigate. Performance-wise, the Corolla is powered by a 2.0-liter engine that balances fuel efficiency with smooth acceleration, perfect for city driving and long commutes alike. Number 2. 2024 Honda Civic. Next up, the Honda Civic. Priced at approximately $23,000, the 2024 Civic brings sophistication to the compact car segment. Its exterior is sharp and sporty, with streamlined contours and LED headlights that give it an upscale look. Inside, the Civic boasts a premium feel with quality materials, ample seating space, and a tech-loaded infotainment system. The Civic's 2.0-liter engine delivers reliable performance with impressive fuel efficiency, making it a fantastic choice for both new and seasoned drivers. Number 3. 2024 Hyundai Elantra. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra combines style and practicality at around $22,000. This model's bold, angular exterior is sure to catch attention, and its aggressive front grille adds a modern edge. Inside, the Elantra impresses with its spacious cabin, which includes a large digital display and supportive seats. On the road, the Elantra is powered by a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter engine, providing a smooth and quiet ride while keeping fuel costs down, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 4. 2024 Mazda III. For those seeking elegance in an economy car, the 2024 Mazda III is an excellent choice, starting at around $23,500. The Mazda 3's exterior is refined, with clean lines and a sleek profile that give it a premium feel. Inside, the Mazda 3's interior design stands out, with high-quality materials, a driver-focused layout, and supportive seating. Powered by a 2.5-liter engine, the Mazda 3 offers a slightly sportier drive compared to others on this list, combining responsive handling with commendable fuel efficiency. Number 5. 2024 Nissan Sentra. Priced at around $20,000, the 2024 Nissan Sentra is a great value for money. Its exterior design features a V-motion grille and sharp headlights, giving it a stylish look. Inside, the Sentra offers a surprisingly roomy cabin, with comfortable seating and a simple, functional dashboard. Performance-wise, it's equipped with a 2.0-liter engine that prioritizes efficiency while delivering a solid, steady drive, perfect for everyday commuting. Number 6. 2024 Kia Forte. The 2024 Kia Forte, priced at around $19,500, is a budget-friendly sedan with style. Its exterior design has sporty accents, with a dynamic grille and sleek lines that give it a modern flair. Inside, the Forte's cabin is spacious for a compact car, with a well-organized dashboard and supportive seats. The Forte's 2.0-liter engine provides good power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those looking for an economical and stylish ride. Number 7. 2024 Volkswagen Jetta. Starting at around $22,500, the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta remains a solid choice for those seeking European styling in an economy car. Its exterior design is clean and sophisticated, with a classic grille and sharp LED lights. Inside, the Jetta offers a spacious and refined cabin with comfortable seating and a high-quality infotainment system. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, the Jetta balances power and efficiency, providing a smooth and enjoyable drive. Number 8. 2024 Chevrolet Malibu. Moving up in size, the 2024 Chevrolet Malibu starts at around $25,000. Its exterior features a distinctive front grille and bold headlights, giving it a confident, stylish look. The Malibu's interior is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and a user-friendly touchscreen system. Under the hood, the Malibu's 1.5-liter turbocharged engine offers a balanced performance with decent fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for both city and highway driving. Number 9. 2024 Volkswagen To. Although it's technically a crossover, the 2024 Volkswagen To, priced at around $24,500, is a compact SUV with the spirit of an economy car. Its exterior is modern and rugged, with a bold front grille and sharp lines. Inside, the Taos offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and advanced tech features. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, it provides a smooth and efficient drive, making it a versatile option for city dwellers and road trippers alike. Number 10. 2024 Subaru Empreza. Priced at about $23,000, the 2024 Subaru Empreza stands out with its standard all-wheel drive, an uncommon feature in this category. Its exterior is sleek and practical, while the interior is designed for comfort and functionality, with ample seating space and a simple infotainment system. Powered by a 2.0-liter engine, the Empreza provides stable handling and good fuel efficiency, making it a great option for those seeking adventure in their everyday drives. Number 11. 2024 Hyundai Accent. The 2024 Hyundai Accent is one of the most budget-friendly options on this list, starting at just around $17,000. Its exterior is simple yet modern, with a compact profile and clean lines. Inside, the Accent's cabin is straightforward, with user-friendly controls and comfortable seating. Powered by a 1.6-liter engine, it's known for its excellent fuel economy, making it a perfect choice for those focused on cost-effective driving. Number 12. 2024 Kia Rio. Similar in price to the Accent, the 2024 Kia Rio starts around $17,500. Its exterior is stylish for a compact car, with a sporty front grille and sharp headlights. Inside, the Rio's cabin is modest but functional, with comfortable seats and an easy-to-use infotainment system. Equipped with a 1.6-liter engine, the Rio delivers reliable performance and excellent fuel economy, making it a great value for budget-conscious drivers. Number 13. 2024 Toyota Yaris. The 2024 Toyota Yaris, priced at approximately $18,000, is a compact car with big advantages. Its exterior has a youthful, sporty look, featuring a compact frame and dynamic front grille. Inside, the Yaris is cozy yet functional, with supportive seating and a straightforward infotainment setup. Powered by a 1.5-liter engine, it's highly fuel-efficient and provides smooth handling, making it a perfect urban companion. Number 14. 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage is one of the most affordable options on this list, starting at just around $16,000. Its exterior is basic but functional, with a compact design suited for city driving. Inside, the Mirage offers essential features in a straightforward layout. Powered by a 1.2-liter engine, the Mirage focuses on fuel efficiency above all, making it one of the most economical choices for budget-focused buyers. Number 15. 2024 Nissan Kicks. Finally, the 2024 Nissan Kicks, priced around $20,500, combines the compactness of a sedan with the functionality of a crossover. Its exterior is modern and eye-catching, with a bold front grille and sleek lines. Inside, the Kicks offers a roomy cabin with comfortable seating and plenty of tech features. Powered by a 1.6-liter engine, the Kicks is efficient and easy to handle, making it a versatile choice for city driving and beyond. And there you have it, the top 15 economy cars of 2024, each offering its own unique blend of style, comfort, and performance at an affordable price. Whether you're after reliability, fuel efficiency, or a tech-savvy interior, there's a car on this list for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more car reviews and rankings. See you in the next video.